Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Epic Games to EA account and link them basically. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you want to download your EA and Epic Games applications. So go to your browser, write down Epic Games Store, and after that Electronics Art app. So you want to go ahead and just download them both simply like so. And here you will also download the EA app. After that, you want to log into your Epic Games account and you want to search for the game you want to link. So for example, Sims 4 would be the best option for me today because it is from EA, as you can see, as a publisher. So what you want to do is go ahead and add it to your library. And now, as you can see, for me it's unavailable, but all you have to do is just run Epic Games as admin. So I'm just gonna go ahead, write down Epic Games Launcher, right click on it and run as admin, and that should fix my problem. So let's go ahead and see if that now works. Go ahead and write down Sims 4 if that was the problem for you too. It should be fixed. And as you can see, now I can launch the game. So once you will click launch the game, now you need to wait while the partner application will be launched too. So it basically means that EA app should open up. And as you can see, all you have to do now is go ahead and sign into your EA account. Now you will need to verify your identity and enter the code. And now you will have to link your accounts just like so. As you can see, these are your two accounts, EA account and Epic Games, link accounts, and get started. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.